Hello, Mielta is on air. We have great news. Fantom fuel level sensor with replaceable battery went on sale. Now the maintenance of the sensor has become even easier. In the new Fantom sensor, you can replace the battery by yourself. To do this, we will need screwdriver, knife, wire cutters, soldering iron, disposable cup and disposable wooden taster spatula. Vice repair kit Mielta. To replace the battery, unscrew the screws and lift the lid. Remove the expired battery. Cut off the power contacts. Solder the wires from the board. Clean the battery compartment from the remnants of the compound. The sensor uses a lithium thionyl chloride battery of standard size ER. A battery replacement kit can be purchased at the Mielta Technology sales department. Before installing the battery, solder the contact wires. Place the battery in the battery compartment. Prepare the compound and mix it. Pour the compound into the battery compartment of the sensor. Assemble the sensor. Fasten the lid. Withstand the time for polymerization of the compound. The sensor is ready to work. Mielta Technologies. Control in our dimension.